of Motherson Sumi Wiring India who are joining us. Hi, good morning to both of you. Thank you so much for joining us. Anurag, let me come to you first. Now, you've delivered a double-digit growth this quarter. Do you see this momentum as sustainable going forward? How is the demand scenario looking like? Take us through all of that.
See, for quarter one, as you have seen, that market has grown by a single-digit number, where we have grown by 2 digits, and this is mainly due to 2 or 3 reasons. First is the volume growth, which is a single digit, and then content is growing, and third is that our presence in the new models as well. And obviously, we have outperformed the market. This is a good news. And Q1 historically remain a little subdued, and Q2 and Q3 start picking up back again when the festivities starts. And if you see in the past also, it's a good sign that Q2 and Q3 picks up accordingly. Another major point is that the way Q1 has sold the vehicle, I'm talking about the retail, approximately more than a million vehicle has been sold in the second consecutive year this time. So sentiments are positive, and as we are also having with 3 greenfields, and there are going to be new launches, which is going to happen in Q2 and Q3 and Q4. The ramp-ups are going to happen. So then we have a more clear picture in H2 that how the market looks like.
All right, so watching out for those launches. Hi, gentlemen. This is Kanishka also joining in. Now, Gulshan, coming to you, let's talk about margins. Now, they have seen some pressure in the quarter gone by. If you could help us, highlighting some of the key factors that have impacted the margins, and how do you see them expanding, given the copper price pass on will happen, but on the other hand, new plants can be a drag?
In terms of the growth, yeah, we have been outpaced the market, and we have been grown double digit. In terms of the margin, coming to your specific question, like in terms of the margin, I would say if you just remove the impact of the Greenfield expansion units, we have performed well. We have grown from 11.7% EBITDA to 11.8% this time. However, in terms of our major contribution to the cost, if you see, we are pretty consistent in our overall cost and the margins also. And you also see in our results that there's some of the plans from the customer side have been deferred, due to which there are certain costs which are coming in the current quarter, which impacted our margins at an overall level. Though, I mean, once it starts ramping it up, we are back with the same margins as we there in the existing units.
Right. Anurag, let me come to you. Now, the EV contribution has been over 5% to your overall revenue mix this quarter. How do you see the share evolving over the next couple of years?
See, EV has grown from previous year to this year, and it has now around 5.4% approximately. And there are new projects which are going to launch or which are in the at this moment in the SOP stage. And coming forward in the Q4 also, there are new projects which are going to launch into these new greenfields. So EV is definitely on the cards, and the numbers are going. We have to see that how the numbers are going to grow, how the consumer is going to react to these models. And then we have a more clear picture by the H2 when these launches will finish. And then we have a more clear picture on how the numbers are going into this. But definitely for MSWIL, we are ready for with our capacities to take care for the EVs. So anything new or any volumes comes up, we are definitely going to take care for that.
All right. Now, since we are talking about Greenfield projects, I also wanted to know from you, Gulshan, when do you expect the new Greenfield plant to reach its optimal utilization levels?
Presentation also, I mean, there are a couple of three Greenfield expansion units which are currently ongoing, and it has been deferred as per the plan from the customer. However, I mean, out of them, I mean, one of them is as per plan, Kharkhoda. I mean, as we speak, I think this is something we will be seeing that very soon in the second quarter. But as soon as the things will ramp it up in the subsequent quarter, we will see the better side of it, and these numbers will be reflected in our overall volumes as well. So I think it will take some time, but we're just at this moment, I think we have to wait and watch at the customer side, because it has been deferred from their side. Yeah.
All right, on that note, thank you so much for joining us and weighing in on the numbers for Motherson Wiring. Well, that was the management of Motherson Wiring giving us a guidance of what's what's ahead for the company and the numbers for the quarter gone by. But let's get started with the show then. Now you can keep sending in your stock specific questions. The number is now flashing on top of